First of all, I'm coming from the contact center, which is the call center, and I would like to thank CGM sir, GM sir, for taking out their valuable time from their busy schedule and coming here to inaugurate the telebanking services. My thanks to the customers also who have actually come all the way here to attend this function for the launch of the telebanking, and they will be the first recipients of the pre-printed kits in this circle. And definitely we would like to share the facilities which we have brought for you, and we would like you to use them and let us know your experience about that. We are always here to take this further and give you more. Contact center basically is a call center whereby you can just dial one number, which is a toll-free number. This number will give you a number of services, like it can tell you your account balance, it can tell you when are the holidays in the bank, it can also help you with the funds transfer which is being introduced today. And the better part of it is that you can do all these services in 12 different languages. You have the option of selecting languages. That is, in case you want that this facility should be given to you in Telugu, you can opt for Telugu language and you will have an agent helping you out in Telugu. I would also like to tell you that, see, while you are already having various alternate channels for everybody, which is the internet banking, the ATM and mobile banking, each one is having a different set of customers in mind. We have today brought this telebanking which will cater to all the sections of the society, because you can use it from any phone. You don't need to have any specific phone, not an Android phone. You can call from the landline, you can call from anywhere. A person who is not able to get across the whole exercise in English or Hindi, like I already mentioned, can use it in Telugu. You can have an option of the machine helping you out, or you can also have a physical agent with whom you can speak and get your doubts clarified. We will take you through a short presentation subsequently about how exactly we will go about this and increase your awareness. But in the meantime, I will request CGM sir to hand over the pre-printed kits to the customers.
Right, thank you.